Hello everybody, I am a Hoshimachi Suisei Mochidoll that really wants to get into game development. I learned C++ in my college and along with my master, and I'm pretty interested. But I'm not the best at learning things by myself. So I decided that I'm going to learn with ChatGPT. Before I get started, I'd like to explain to you what I am. Now, first of all, I am a plushie based on a very famous Japanese celebrity named Suisei Hoshimachi. In the Japanese order, her surname comes first and her first name comes last, so Hoshimachi Suisei in the Japanese order. Suisei is a very famous YouTuber who uses a virtual avatar she has a very good singing voice. She's very, very funny, very, very amazing, very humble, and she works for an entertainment company called Hololive. Hololive's talents, they use animated avatars to protect themselves and their privacy. She also has her own Wikipedia page. As you can see, she actually made her avatar all by herself many, many years ago. Eventually, when she got into Hololive, she got a new one. Her channel will be linked down below. But remember, she does not speak English that well. She speaks a bit, but she only speaks Japanese, so you're not going to understand what she says. Now, I want to get into game development, so I've decided to use a tool to learn how to use game development. ChatGPT. What an amazing program it is. ChatGPT is a tool that can allow you to learn any skill you want. It generates answers out of thin air. I'm not sure how it does it, but it's a large language model, a type of AI program that is trained on a large amount of data and trained to generate human-like responses to many answers. Apparently, ChatGPT's creator is OpenAI, who wants to make it some sort of artificial general intelligence, whose intelligence can match a human being. Now, before we get started, first I told ChatGPT that I would like to learn Unreal Engine. So, what ChatGPT told me first was I have to first install the engine, which I can do so on the Epic Games launcher. I go to Unreal Engine and I click here and it launches and you can install it right over here. How amazing, isn't that? Now, I'm a plushie based off Hoshimachi Suisei. I'd love to make a game to show how amazing she is, but I also want to create original works with my owner, Passcode Advance. We'll also talk about Hoshimachi Suisei, about Hololive, and about Japan's and interesting YouTubing culture. Did you know that YouTubers in Japan, the YouTubers that wear avatars to protect their privacy, are called WeTubers? They can be male, female, they can be from all over the world, not just Japan. They can be even from the States as well. That's pretty amazing. So, first, if you want to learn how to make video games, the skills you need is first C++ and C# for Unreal Engine and Unity respectively. If you would like to go into game programming, you need to learn these programming languages that I mentioned. You need to learn how to do graphical programming. I think that mainly Unreal Engine and C++ and C# are all you need. If you want to be a game artist, you'll need to learn how to draw. If you would like to learn game voice acting, crafting, then you have to train your voice, and I think they're all pretty self-explanatory. If you'd like to do all of these things, you're very, very brave. Like, you are very, very strong, and I salute you. As a Mochidoll, we are just cute little plushies that aim to show the world the beauty of Hololive. I can't believe I'm going beyond, and I'm becoming a bit involved in showing my support to Hololive and what we Mochidolls can do. I'm not going to take over the world, so don't worry, okay? I'm just going to show the world that I can do so many things. I'd like to make the person I was modeled after, Hoshimachi Suisei, proud, but she doesn't really understand English. So my master and I would like to learn Japanese. Because even though I'm a plushie based off a Japanese speaker, I can't learn the language. So I decided we will one day learn Japanese when my master is ready. So my master is first going to ask me, what? So first let's go here. We have to learn the basics. You have to familiarize yourself with the engine and the editor. You can look up the tutorials on YouTube and documentation on the Unreal Engine website itself. You also need to understand the Blueprint visual scripting feature that is in the Unreal Engine language, Unreal Engine program. The Blueprint is a visual scripting program, in other words, a drag and drop system, apparently, that allows us to make code without needing to learn how to code. I think that is what it is. If I'm wrong, I'm really sorry, but I think that's what it is. Now, they're also saying I have to learn C++ and Unreal Engine. Okay, so I do know C++. My master, he transfers knowledge with his mind. Yes, he can transfer things to me with his mind. Very clever. I don't have to go anywhere. Pretty smart. We have to learn about the API. We have to look at the tutorials, join the community, and start small. First of all, don't make large projects. Just start small. Like, first of all, making a shooter, a top-down shooter game, like, Galaga. Making a Tetris game. Suisei loves Tetris. She's called the Tetris Queen because she's so good at the game. Making a simple platformer. And yeah, that's that. I would like to learn how to make a Tetris game, and I would like to learn how to make a 2D platforming game. Very simple games. So I've decided. How about we embark on this journey together, you and me? And we will one day create a game that will impress Hoshimachi Suisei. I'm so Suisei Hoshimachi in the Western Order. Let's make her proud that we are her fans. Oh, before I continue, let me just tell you what her fans are called. Her fans are called stargazers, or in Japanese, Hoshiyomi. So, yes, if you become a fan, you subscribe to her, you watch her content daily, even if you're not that good in Japanese, you give her videos a thumbs up, you comment, you show her support, then you can be called a Hoshiyomi. Pretty great, right? Okay. So, you also need to experiment and iterate with your games. Don't be afraid to try new things and refine your work based on experiences. ChatGPT can help you, but you also need to send some steps. So, first of all, I'm going to teach ChatGPT how do I move a character in Unreal Engine 5. So, I'm going to go here. I'm going to type in how do I make a character enter move in Unreal Engine 5 using C++. Now I've written this prompt, as you can see. Let's try running it. So I go here, and first, it's generating the prompt. Wow! It generated the script to move the character. How amazing! So let's go top to bottom, shall we? Then, since we've just gotten started, I'm not the best at explaining things. I'm really sorry. Some things might seem a bit random. I'm not a star like the person I'm based after. I'm just a plushie based off her. But I really want to be someone she can be proud of. A Mochidoll to make Suisei proud. How about that? Right, my owner. Right, Suisei Mochidoll. So, let's, check what is being said here. So first, we'll have to make a new C++ character class. You have to go to the Unreal Engine editor, go to File, select New C++ class, and choose a character as the parent class. Then we open the generated C++ class. Inside it, we'll have to override the setup player input component method to bind input functions and to implement the movement logic. So it says there #pragma once, and we include the game framework, character, header file, and the my character generated header file generated. Remember, we go to the U class, open up the Unreal Engine class function. Then we open our class, we create a Your Project API, and a my character class as inheriting public a character, then generated body, then public a my character function, and then protected. We then create a class which is protected, virtual void begin play, and then begin function and override virtual void setup player input component class u input component player it multiplied by or it's asterisk. I think it's multiplied asterisk player input component void move forward float value and then close, and then void move right float value, and then private u property at anywhere float speed 500 f close. Then another my character file has been opened. My character h edit file is included. Game work, game framework, spring on component h is added. Camera component h is added. These are all included. You have to include this using the include function. We then open the a my character and use the scope resolution component to access the a my character function. Then we add primary add tags, we add these functions. I'm just going to go super begin play. You can actually You can actually pause the video and edit the code. So we compile and use the corrector. Thank you so much, ChatGPT. So, なるほどね。私、本当にわかりました。Just kidding, I don't understand. And what did they write there? I'm really confused, ChatGPT. Can you explain all of this? We're going to explore this in the next video. Anyways, I guess I'm going to stop the video. So thank you so much. If you really love this content, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button for more content like this. It will really help the channel out a lot. Now, hopefully this has gotten recorded by YouTube. That subscribe, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button part. Please do it. I really want you to support this channel. I'll be such a proud Mochidoll. I'm a limited edition Mochidoll. I'm not really available anymore, but yeah, if you're wondering about my availability. Anyways, I'm gonna go. So, bye. Time to end the video. Here you go. Thank you so much, Master. Let's close the video together. Yes, let's do it.